All right, guys, in this training video here, I'm going to show you how to record your meter readings for your pickups, your equipment, anytime that you're having to record a meter reading, as well as the hours for those pieces of equipment. Because we've had some questions on this the last few days, so I decided to make a quick video about it. So for this example, I've already in the time card. We know how to get here to this point. So as you can see, it's Pulaski Tech storm drain. Now we're going to put total hours for JD here. Let's just say he worked 8 hours. Okay. Now in these blocks here for the equipment, the only thing you'll put in those blue boxes is going to be the total hours used on those machines. The reason it's set up that way is because it then takes the fixed cost for each machine, for example, the truck, right? It's going to say, okay, here is the hourly cost for that truck. So if you put 2 hours, it's then going to put that 2 hours of the cost to this job, particularly to this cost code. So we'll do 1 hour because it's about 1 hour drive time to the job site. So we'll do 8D1 for JD. We'll do it accurate here. 8D1 done. Now with the excavator itself here, so on this hour, on the excavator, click on the excavator and then put in your meter reading. So let's say it started this morning at 100, it ended at 108. So the total runtime then would be the difference, and that would be 8 hours for this example. Same thing for the truck. We already did that. That was one. I actually had the wrong cell selected. So this is where you're going to go in. You're going to put your meter readings for your pickup. So your starting odometer and your ending odometer for the day. Do not put the difference of the odometer right here in this box. This is total hours spent using this pickup. Now, as you can see, the hours is going to be one because JD spent 1 hour driving, 30 minutes to this job site, 30 minutes back roughly, right? Now, when it comes to the rental equipment, same thing, meter on, meter off. And then in the notes, you can also put who we're renting this from. That way, it's also some checks and balances on the billing side to let us know, like, hey, we didn't run that many hours on it. Here's our starting and ending odometers, and just it's a checks and balance for us for the back office. Now, on the water truck, the example I had yesterday was speaking with JD is that he might not run that water truck, but only 30 minutes for the entire week. So a solution to that would be just pick a cost code that you're working on. For this example, it's the demo existing storm drain. And on that normal payroll week, just put 1 day in there, put one of the water, the water truck in there once, and just put point 0.5. And that can be encompassed for the entire week because it's only been ran for 30 minutes. Same thing here. You can put your hours on and off for the water truck. I know some of the water trucks might not have, or some of the equipment might not be able to read the meter readings, but that's where you would do that at as well. Now, that's how you're going to put in the equipment hours. So do not put actual mileage here. Don't put, 45 miles. Don't put your odometer of 160,000, whatever the case may be, because that's going to put that many hours on that particular job, specifically that cost code. So just always remember in these blocks here, you're only putting hours of use, right? So even for yourself, hours of use for your labor, right? That kind of thing. When you click on the equipment, this is where you're going to record your odometer, your meter readings, all that, your hour meters, all that kind of stuff. So that's the best way to do that, and that'll track it accurately for the entire job.